Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming your Shopify plan and permissions. This prevents interruptions. Next, open the admin and head straight to Products Import. Once there, upload the demo CSV and images ZIP together so Shopify can link images by file name. If you use a migration app, install it first and grant required permissions. Otherwise, the native importer works for basic catalogs. Make sure column headers match Shopify's template before you hit upload, so mapping is accurate and you avoid rework. Once the CSV is in the uploader, map columns to Shopify fields: title, body, SKU, variant options, price, and inventory, so data lands correctly. Then upload images or point to hosted URLs and confirm file names match CSV image references. This is how thumbnails attach. For variants, verify SKU uniqueness and inventory locations. Incorrect SKUs create duplicates. After mapping, run the importer in preview mode to catch errors. If warnings appear, correct the CSV and re-import You finish by reviewing products, collections, and storefront visibility. Sample a product page to confirm images, pricing, and variant selectors work. If everything looks good, publish or push changes live. If something breaks, the most common fixes are correcting CSV headers to Shopify's template or updating image file names /paths. Make those edits and re-import. For stubborn issues, clear cache, reupload just the affected rows, or use a specialized import app. These steps resolve most data mapping problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.